The first document we will look at is the project mandate document. Actually, this document is considered to be the trigger for the project, because this is why the project starts. The whole goal of the pre-project phase is to actually investigate the contents of the project mandate document, go into a bit more detail, and eventually create the project brief, which provides more information. So when I log in to UPrince, I can see the pen project here. I click on this, and then it brings me directly into this view, the product breakdown structure. So I want to have an overview of all the documents, so I click on here, and then I can go to the project mandate. It's over here, and let's then view the contents of this. So actually in this case, the project mandate document is quite well filled out. Sometimes, or it doesn't have to be normally filled out that well. It mainly just has to have the reasons for the project, and then it's up to the pre-project to investigate this. But in this case here, we have the title, which gives an overview of what the project is about, the purpose of it, which backs up this data here. We have the responsible person for the idea so far, the background, the project objectives as we know them, if they're available, the scope of the project. Now this doesn't really have to be filled out, but in this case the data is there. The quality expectations, again, that's something that usually comes later. The business case summary, that might happen because there are reasons for the project, and sometimes there can be business reasons with some financial information. Associated documents, if there are any, especially if there are already known lessons that we might have, can be attached here. The proposed executive, and so on, and project manager. If that's known already, usually that's decided later, but it can be decided before. Customers and users and other information. So again, that's just an example of one that's very well filled in, and maybe just 2 or 3 of these items have to be filled in for a normal project mandate document. So that's it for the project mandate document.